I, Akansha Maheshwari Sahu, Assistant Professor from School of Journalism and Mass Communication, cordially invite Assistant Professor Dr. Saurabh Sahu from Department of Orthopedic Surgery. I welcome you, sir.
Hi.
So, sir, basically what Department of Orthopedics is all about?
So Department of Orthopedics will deal with any pathology or any ailment of your bones and your limbs and spine.
Okay, so sir, how the functioning of the department is done?
The functioning of department is that we are a medical college. We are not for a profit organization.
Okay.
We are offering services on the entire spectrum for orthopedics. And the functioning of department encompasses from head of the department to residents. We have a fully functional PG teaching program. So there is Dr. Professor BK Jain sir, he is the professor and head. And then we have his list of associate professors and assistant professors. And then we have senior residents and at least 12 junior residents.
Oh, that's great. So basically what is the role of an orthopedist?
Orthopedics would advise you for your bone ailments. He would treat your fractures, he would treat your arthritis, he would treat your spine problems and ligament injuries and bone tumors and bone infections.
Okay. So like this is a field which is basically known for innovation, right? So like what are the innovations which have been done in your department?
This is a great question. Kangsha ji, the orthopedics basically has grown over in the last 10 years like no other branch in medicine.
Okay.
Now innovations keep happening daily and we are always trying to upgrade ourselves accordingly. And the latest that we are doing in our department is we have started shoulder arthroscopy, knee arthroscopy. We have purchased a system from a German company that costs around 50 lakh rupees. And now minimal access joint surgeries are possible in our department and we are routinely doing it.
Okay, so what are the services of your department?
All right, so the basic services like trauma and emergency services are routinely going on. And beyond that, now we are offering subspecialty care also to our patients,
Okay.
which includes joint replacements and camera assisted, like I said, arthroscopic surgeries, spine surgeries, cervical spine surgeries, and which is fairly advanced. And replacement, now we are moving on towards revision, joint replacements, limb deformity corrections, and routinely like bone infections and bone tumors are also being treated in our department.
Okay, so what are the new researches which have been done?
Now the research aspect is related to our PG program, where we have 12 postgraduate program students in our department, like 4 every year. So there it is a 3-year program, so we have total of 12 postgraduates who are holding their thesis as their completion for their degree. And now currently at least 12 research projects are going on under different consultants and under different fields.
Okay, so how the financial support for the patients is managed?
Nowadays we are seeing more and more patients who are being helped under the Prime Minister's Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Maximum patients are able to afford terminal and very expensive orthopedic care earlier, which was refused, or not refused, but they simply couldn't afford the systems. Now we are able to provide better care in terms of better quality implants and better quality care in terms of better quality surgeries, as in we now can use disposables more often. So cost cutting has gone down, and due to because for the low income group we had to cut our corners to provide them core. But nowadays with the Ayushman Yojana we are able to give them standard medical care.
Okay, so what are the interdepartment and multi-specialty services which you provide?
So like we are a medical college, we are holding postgraduate students in all the clinical branches. So interdepartmental services would be we are coordinating with general surgery, anesthesia, department of plastic surgery, and department of CTVS, that is vascular surgeon, is also available at our institute. So all this holistic care can be offered because we have every which way department if possible. Like we have an excellent pathology department, we have excellent support system in our microbiology. So all kinds of investigations does not need to leave our campus.
Exactly.
It can be done at our own, under our own roof. So which is a benefit to our patients.
Okay. So, sir, please pay emphasis on the detail of current
Teaching program.
Yeah.
So we have, as I said earlier, 12 seats currently running,
Okay.
like 4 for each year. So 12 in total, and that would be a 3-year residency program, which is a standard for any medical master of surgery, orthopedics. And we are doing our classes every day from 3 to 4, and there are seminars being conducted, like 6 days are divided, one for updation with journals, one for seminars, one for clinical teaching, where we have the actual patient by bedside, and our entire department sits together and discusses the best outcome for the patient. So if you are coming to me for a case which I am not able to figure out for myself, I would post you in that clinical meeting of my own department, and from everyone, senior most to junior most, everybody would be attending that meeting, and everyone's input would be taken, and the best outcome would be decided for the patient.
Okay.
So this exercise is being done routinely in our institute for every difficult case.
Like everything is managed simultaneously, like
Yes,
the practical
with
aspect
the
also,
input of at
research.
least 8 consultants and around 4 senior residents and 12 junior residents.
That's
So
very
that is a
great.
big, huge, hive brain working for one particular case, and everybody gives their inputs, and we are able to come up to with a better solution, more affordable solution to that particular patient's needs.
So thank you so much, sir, for throwing your light on Department of Orthopedic Surgery. It was really nice having a short conversation with you. Hope so to see you again in future Med Talks again.
Sure.
So thank you so much, sir, for giving your valuable time. to
Thank you
us.
so much, Akanksha ji, for inviting me, and I hope to see you guys again soon.
Yes, sir. Thank you.